Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a great day. This is the Radeon VII profitability update video for the month of July and August, okay? I totally forgot to make my video for July, so I'm combining July and August together. And I know a few of you guys have been asking, and I'm so sorry for forgetting to make the July video, but in this video I'm going to be combining both months together, and I'll show you guys how much Ethereum Classic we have made, that we have mined for those past 2 months, okay? So this is from July 1st to August 31st of 2019. And for some of you guys who are new to the channel, have not seen the previous videos, just to give you guys some history here, this is a single Radeon 7 that I'm keeping track of that I bought on March 23rd of 2019, okay? I bought this card, the Sapphire Radeon 7, for $781.26 USD, okay? So that was including tax. And we are in Windows 10, okay? I'm gonna show you guys what I'm mining later on this Radeon 7 for this September month, okay? So I'll let you guys know near the end. And this is my cost per kilowatt hour, as you guys can see here, 0.0664. And then I have a levy fee, which is per day, 0.046 cents a day. And then I have a crisis fund that's also 0.0061 a day, and then plus 5% taxes. So that's my electrical cost, okay? There's an example wattage calculation here. I'm not going to read it out, but you guys can see here how I calculate the wattage of my Radeon 7. So right now it's at about 280 watts total system, okay? So total system, it's about 52 cents a day, okay? So so now let's calculate here. I'm going to show you guys as of now, okay? Ethereum Classic price is $6.77, okay? And we have mined throughout those 2 months 12.82 Ethereum Classic on a single Radeon 7, okay? And now the coin total, this column here, this basically shows the total amount of Ethereum Classic that I have now, which I'll show you guys a total of in a second here. And then the coined mine worth, okay, so within these 61 days, I have mined, as of making this video now, we've mined about $86.79 worth USD of Ethereum Classic, okay, total. And the hash rate is 89 mega hash. So system total at the wall, 280 watts. And now we can see here wattage price column. This is basically what I showed you guys here, the wattage calculation, 0.52 cents times 31 days, okay? So it's 30 days in July and 31 days in August. So I calculated 61 days times 52 cents. And that gave me $31.72, okay? Now we minus, this is the profit column, basically mined profitability minus the wattage. So 86.79 minus 31.72, we get $55.07 in terms of profit. If I sold the coins now, okay? Which I am not doing, okay? And you guys can see here, I have a little kind of disclaimer here. This blue writing, it says, hodl in all the coins I like until enough to hit ROI, okay? So to hit this 781, or when I feel it is a good time to sell to make some profits. And I have in brackets here, pray for altcoin season. So I'm hodling all the coins that I mined so far since April 1st, okay? Up until now, and I'm gonna keep going. And also, the last column here you guys may have seen. So this is the Radeon 7 price, initial price, 781.26, plus the electric costs that I have incurred, okay? So you can see here I've been adding to the price every year, or sorry, every day and every month. And you can see here, right as of now, it's $855.94 total this includes the electrical price and the cost of the video card. So yeah, I'm so far negative 855.94. I haven't sold any of the coins, hodling everything, and now let's just take a look at all of the coins that I've mined so far on this Radeon 7 since April 1st, okay? Total, we've mined 18 Ethereum Classic, basically, and a 0.8 Monero, and 1,356 Callisto. Looks like, you know, pretty decent bag of coins. And the total value of this whole wallet right now, as of making this video, is another thing here, is at the end of August, it's worth $183.77 USD. That's if I sold now, okay, as of making this video. So would I get my return on investment back? No, not at the moment. Just a little fraction, I would say, like maybe 10 or 15% I would get back. So yeah, so there's the update profitability that I have so far in my Radeon 7, guys. I know a lot of you guys are pretty interested in this, so I'm keeping track of it every month. I'm super sorry that I have forgotten to make the video for July, but I'm gonna do my best now to keep track of September, and we're gonna go on through every month, and I will remember this time. If I don't, you guys can hound me in the comments, which few of you have done. So now guys, I just want to talk about which coin I'm gonna mine next on the Radeon 7 for the month of September. Okay, so as you guys know, obviously altcoins have been going down a lot due to the Bitcoin dominance being at 70% right now. So the Bitcoin price has been going higher, but altcoins have been losing their value. So that's pretty much anything that's not Bitcoin. And we can see here the chart here. You guys can see the disparity here of just since, I would say, the beginning of January of 2017, the markets, altcoins have just been going in a downward spiral here continually. So mining profits in terms of mining for altcoins have been less and less, and I know I've been updating you guys with that information in the past. But you guys can see here, Bitcoin dominance has been going higher and higher, thus altcoins have been losing their value. So that means profitability for your mining rigs are going to be lower, right? Okay, but anyways, that doesn't really matter to me. I'm mining the coins and hodling until it's a good time to sell, if that even comes, if that ever comes. No one knows, we don't know. But anyways, as we can see on what to mine one Radeon 7, we calculate at 10 cents a kilowatt hour, and if I should just put mine, it should be about 0.07-ish USD. Ethereum Classic is the most profitable coin to mine on the Radeon 7 at my electrical costs. So after electrical costs, I'd be paying about 71 cents. Sorry, I would be getting 71 cents if I sold every day. But I want to mine a coin that I actually like now. So I wasn't really doing it for the profits. I was doing it for the profits before for mining Ethereum Classic and Monero. But now that what to mine, you know, it shows Ethereum Classic and Monero. These two are always the top for the Radeon 7 the past year or so. But now I want to mine a coin that I like. And it's not like I don't like Ethereum Classic or Monero. I want to mine another coin, you know, just get another bag of coins. I can truly get up into this bag of coins on my Konomi wallet here. By the way, I'm mining all the profits to a Koinomi wallet on my phone, on an old phone, just to make it easier. And in the next profitability video, I'll show you guys the Konomi wallet video. So I want to mine, anyways, I'm going to be mining a Vertcoin, okay? Vertcoin is a very GPU mineable coin at the moment. And they've always been GPU mining centric, and they're going to be working on a new algorithm called VertHash, and that should hopefully, you know, get rid or just, you know, be ASIC resistant, FPGA resistant, all that kind of stuff. I mean, FPGAs will always be programmable. So I want to show you guys here. I already have it mining Vertcoin now, so I'm remoted into the rig right now. This is just at my second mining location. The Radeon 7 here is doing really well on Vertcoin. So I'm using the Vertcoin one-click miner. This is a miner that was just released. And very simple. You just make your password and click start mining. And boom, you guys can see here I'm getting about 96.72 mega hash on the Radeon 7. And it's saying here its expected earnings in 24 hours is about 2.11 Vertcoin. Okay? So right now, the what to mine is showing that I'm probably going to make about Vertcoin here. So yeah, 2 Vertcoin a day, about 56 cents a day in profitability, okay? Or after electrical cost, I'd be making 16 cents, okay? But that's if I was selling every day. So I'm not going to be selling. I don't really care for this Radeon 7 at this moment. So I'm going to continue to mine Vertcoin for this month. And we shall see, you know, what happens at the end of September. And I'll show you guys how much I've made and that kind of stuff. But I hope, you know, altcoins will bounce back. That's why I'm mining Vertcoin and just holding a little bag of it. But you guys can see here the temperature of the card is 59 degrees Celsius. And the junction temperature is at 84 degrees Celsius, mining Vertcoin now for this past couple hours now as I've made this video. So yeah, anyways, that's the update video for my Radeon 7, guys. Let me know what you think. Smash the like button, all that good stuff, and let me know if I'm mining the right coin right now, or if I'm doing something wrong, or also if you have a coin recommendation that I should be mining for the next month of October. So I would love to know. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to use my Amazon affiliate links down below. It helps me out, helps out the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.